Welcome to my channel. My name is William, and I'm a licensed general building contractor here in California. Today we will continue working on our roof framing. Yesterday I forget my camera, so I did not able to get video on these big beams that we put here on our valley. See, that is the beam that we brought it up here yesterday. There are two. One is 14 feet over there, and the other one is 22 feet over here. Yeah, it's kind of heavy. This, especially this 22 feet. This is 8 by 12 inches. I think it's about 600 to 700 pounds. It's kind of heavy, and I'm thinking to get a crane to lift this beam up here, but we managed to bring it up. These two beams, it takes like I think around 6 hours to put this beam up here, because they are heavy. We you know, bring them up here little by little. As you can see, there's a 4 by beam down there, and we slide it there, and we put pipe underneath, so you know, push it up little by little. Okay, now today we are what you call hanging the rafters. They are 2 by 10 by 20 feet, because these are long and a little bit heavy. We already put the nail the hanger in place, so it's easy for us to hang it. As you can see, we already hung 4 this morning. So today we will I will make a what you call time lapse on this on the rest of these rafters there. As you can see on both sides, from this high location, this is about 11 on the bottom and 12 on top. That is feet. We hung already the hanger, so it's not easy. It's easy for us to hang the what you call the rafters. So we started on this side, on my left side this morning. So you know, there. The slope of this roof is 1.5 inch for every 12-inch round. There. So as you can see, that is the inverted bird's mouth that I cut there. See, I want it you know, to last like that, to make it more stronger. Okay, and this is the way I always cut rafters. Put on top of each other, and then just cut, you know, that the end, one end, so you will measure one of them there. Okay, So I will make a time lapse on this one. Now we are done on rafters framing. Only a few more blocking over there, and the Simpson metal clips is installing, and we are ready for laying down plywood roof seating slash roof diaphragm. Laying plywood on the roof is similar to laying on a subfloor. The only difference is it's half-inch plywood, and the subfloor we are using 3/4 TNG, and we are using a liquid nail to minimize squeaking the floor. As you can see, we drill holes 2 inch in diameter each blocking for ventilation, because this portion on my left is without attic. These rafters and ceiling joists. On my right, the one that doesn't have hole, actually my guys made a mistake. He put a hole on that one. From this wall and to my right, there is an attic over there. That's why you can see there is a ceiling joist there, and we did not drill holes on the blocking because we have a attic vent. I made an attic bench here. There. The architect doesn't want it to put attic vent in front. I don't know if the inspector will agree on this one, but today, because of COVID, it's only a virtual inspection, so I think this will be approved. There. Yeah, as you can see, that is ready. So we are, we are ready to lay down the plywood. This is the main house. Roof, and this is the master bedroom. Actually, still connected to the main house. There is only like in between a lower roof above the master bathroom and the family room there. This opening are the clerestory window. There are 4, 2 in the master bedroom, and 1 here and 1 over there above the window on the front side of the house. It's like that is the kitchen sink, above the kitchen sink. Okay, that's all for now. Please click and subscribe, and click the notification bell so I can notify you on my next videos. My next videos is the roof seating. I will make a video on that roof seating, how to install it. Okay, bye for now.